Day. Day. Dream. Dream. Other dream. Other dream. Other dream.
Dun, 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 dun. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
You like this?
Dream.
This is just the bestest. Little Glenn was just, he's a 2-year-old kid. I mean, you ask him a question and you get a 2-year-old answer. Do you like your room?
Good dream.
So what do you think of your room?
Dream.
And your room, you like it?
Oh, dream.
He wasn't even listening to me because he was too busy getting into things. You got cement trucks on the floor. You got cowboy hats. You want one on? Yee-haw, partner! I think the proof was in the pudding. He liked the room. We're like cowboy buddies, me and you, ain't we?
Dream.
Train.